Yo, here we have the here we have the Lenovo Tab S8, Tab 3.8 rather. A slick design. Here's the specifications. Let me take a closer look for you guys. I'm going to pan there a little bit gently. Can you see it? So it's refurbished as well and it looks new. I like it. So let me just open it and see. Not really like a lot of unboxing. I'm going to check if it has OTG as well, as usual. But pardon my background as a little bit stained. This is a similar background. I didn't really expect it, but today is the last day I was meant to collect the products from Jumia. This is my OTG cable. That's what I just want to check it. I hope it supports. I have my flash there. So the same thing that came with the first one. Lenovo charger, cable. That's that for that. I need to plug my mobile phone first. Okay, so this is it. This is white itself. I've owned it before, I've turned it on before. It's color white. So this power button. That's how it shows. It's reused, so I don't know if you can see this kind of scratch there in the screen tape cover. That's there, that is like refurbished. It's not actually new itself. Before I proceed, I need to bring my stand for it. Yeah. So this is it. It's easy. It's okay. So let me check the specs for you guys to see. The phone itself. This is how bright the screen can go. You also have where the settings button. I think it uses Android, runs on Android 6. So we have about phone, about tablet. We have Android 6.0. I think this is also okay. This is Nougat, I think. Oh, this is that game. So you have the Android 6 Nougat. Remember the first one I did in the beginning of the video was like that Lenovo Tab S8 runs on Android Lollipop. So you know about this game, so forget about this. Let's go back. Let's check the specs. Oh, let's see that now. Yes, look at it up there. It reads as 1 gig RAM and storage 16 gig. So okay, 1.6 gigahertz. I hope this can run PPSSPP games and Diamond PS2 games. Those are those for my gaming, those leisure time. And I also hope you can work with YouTube in latest version and Lightroom as well as Capcut. This is Android 6.0. You don't know actually what can happen. So that's that for that. That's a 1080p screen, as you can see, very bright. 55%. I hope it lasts. It says 4000 mAh in the security patch, so let me just try my OTG as first. Like I actually said I wanted to do. This is the OTG cable I tried for the first one. I'm going to try it again. That is for the S8, Lenovo Tab S8. Is it? We'll use it again for this. This one should. Okay, the charging point is at the top. should go there. Okay, that's been plugged in. I have a flash here. I hope it works. Here goes nothing. Okay. Okay, just I think it recognizes it. It recognizes it. Storage and USB. So it recognizes that something has been connected, as you can see right here. So the O2G is actually performing right now. That is USB 3.74 gig out of used 2.6 gig, like a 4 gig SD card. So it actually works. That's good. So it shows that it works with OTG in 2025. For those that are wondering, it works with OTG. Both the Lenovo Tab S8 and Lenovo Tab 3.8 works with OTG. Ma?
You don't see the beans when come pour water for me and go back.
Okay.
Bring the water now.
So make you guys, I think that's where I'll give at the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'll do some more videos of this as well. I don't really make this video a little bit long because you saw what happened in the explanation I did between the Lenovo Tab 3.8, Lenovo Tab S8 and now. So it was a long journey. This 2025 is a hell of a drive. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe. Also comment what you think. It's not easy doing this video for you guys, man. And you know how I'm editing it. Some of the videos I take from the cameras aren't actually editing, like aren't actually processing media format like like a regular MP4. Most of them are programmed in MOV, so it takes a lot of time for me to record it. So as it has this flash, it gives it a little bit of juice for me to edit videos quickly. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. OTG gives me a lot of appreciation, and I like that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video again. The Art of the Man signing out.